All these words mean the same. They all mean an ending. Finally, at last, lastly, and in the end. Mean the ending of some duration of time or after some period of time. There are subtle differences in usages, so let's explore them. Finally means an ending that is reached after a long time and generally after facing some troubles or difficulties. At last means an ending that is reached after being impatient for it, usually due to long delays. Lastly means an ending that is reached after a list, generally it is a long list. In the end means an ending that is reached after a lot of discussion, a lot of confusion, or a lot of changes. If the sentence has a main verb, then the word finally is placed before it. For example, the train finally arrived at the station, and we do not say the train arrived finally at the station. Here, arrived is the main verb, and the train is the subject. So finally is placed between the subject and the main verb. Note that it is not placed after the main verb, it is placed before the main verb. If there is a main verb and there is also an auxiliary or a modal verb, then finally comes before the main verb but after the auxiliary or the modal verb. So finally is placed between the auxiliary or the modal verb and the main verb. For example, after multiple attempts, they have finally passed the exam. We do not say after multiple attempts, they finally have passed the exam. Here, the auxiliary verb is have and the main verb is past. So, finally is placed after have and before past. It is placed between the auxiliary verb and the main verb. Generally, the word finally is always placed before the main verb. However, if the main verb is a be verb, then it is placed after the main verb. Remember the be verbs? The be verbs are to be, am, are, is, was, were, been, and being. Remember them? Okay, let us see an example. The issue was finally resolved. We do not say the issue finally was resolved. Here the word was is a be verb and it is also a linking verb. So finally is placed after it. Clear? Yes, generally finally is always placed before the main verb. But if the main verb is a be verb, then it is placed after it. Usually the be verb is a linking verb. Clear? Okay, to proceed. Now the word at last signifies impatience or a long wait, generally due to delays. It can be placed at the beginning, middle, or end of a sentence. For example, at last he has learned how to skate. Now here at last is placed at the beginning. He has at last returned the book. Here it is placed at the middle. The train has arrived at last. They have been waiting for 3 hours. So here it is placed at the end of a sentence. The next word is lastly. Lastly signifies an end of a list and it usually comes in the middle of a sentence. They wanted sugar, eggs, flour, and lastly milk for the recipe. He thanked Susan, Rob, Peter, Harry, and lastly he thanked his wife Judith. Yeah. The word in the end signifies a definite conclusion. And then in the end they got married. We were planning to visit European countries and in the end we went to India. This is pretty simple. Understood? Yeah, all of these words, finally, at last, lastly, and in the end, they mean the same. They all mean an ending. But there is a subtle difference. Finally is an ending that is reached after a long time. At last means an ending that is reached after being impatient for it. Lastly means an ending that is reached after a list. In the end means an ending that is reached after a lot of confusion or a lot of changes. Clear? Okay. Now turn to page 64. You will find an exercise. Yes, true or false. 25, true or false. Can you do it now? Alright. Please start. Thank you.